Imagine having a delicious, warm meal ready for you wherever you go. The Travelissimo electric stainless lunchbox makes that dream a reality. This portable food warmer is perfect for busy professionals, students, or anyone on the move. With a generous 20-ounce capacity, it fits a satisfying portion of your favorite dishes, from hearty stews to pasta. What sets it apart? Its stainless steel design not only looks sleek but ensures durability and easy cleaning. Just plug it in, and within minutes, your food is heated to perfection. No more cold lunches or unhealthy fast food options. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your bag. Whether you're at the office, on a road trip, or enjoying a picnic, this electric lunchbox is your go-to solution for a warm, homemade meal anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to meal prep stress and hello to convenience. Buy now link in the description.